With the start of a new year, it's the perfect time to evaluate how you can contribute more effectively to your professional teams. And one of the best ways to do that is by learning how to pull your weight. This phrase is simple yet impactful, and it's the cornerstone of successful teamwork in the business world. It means to do your fair share of the work in a team setting, ensuring that you are contributing as much as everyone else. So let's dive deep into this expression, understand its origins, and explore how you can use it to sound more professional and reliable. Pull your weight originates from the word of rowing. Picture a team of rowers, each with an oar in hand, working in perfect synchronization to move a boat forward. If one person doesn't pull their weight, the entire boat will slow down and the team's performance suffers as a whole. This metaphor has seamlessly transitioned into the workplace, where teamwork and, of course, shared responsibilities are vital. For example, in a business context, pulling your weight could mean meeting your deadlines. It could mean contributing ideas in meetings or supporting your colleagues during very busy periods. Now, let's look at some real-life examples where this phrase might come into play. Imagine that you are part of a marketing team preparing for a product launch. Everyone has specific tasks like creating content, coordinating with designers, and of course managing the timeline of the project. If one person in the team fails to pull their weight, then the entire project can be delayed, affecting the launch and the company's reputation. Here's how you might use this phrase in different business scenarios. Number one, in a performance review, I always make sure to pull my weight, especially during high-pressure campaigns. Number two, in a team meeting, it's crucial that everyone pulls their weight if we want to meet this deadline. Number three, when addressing a team issue, we need to discuss how we can ensure everyone is pulling their weight on this project. Number five, while encouraging a new hire. Don't worry, as long as you pull your weight, the team will support you. And number five, during a job interview. In my previous role, I made it a point to pull my weight, contributing to both team projects and individual tasks. Pull your weight is commonly used in sports, particularly in team-based activities like baseball or soccer. For example, a coach might say, everyone needs to pull their weight if we want to win this championship. It's also a very popular phrase in family dynamics. Parents often tell their kids, you need to pull your weight around the house, referring to the different chores and jobs and responsibilities. Remember, this phrase is most effective in collaborative environments where teamwork is an essential part. It's a way to encourage accountability and mutual respect among team members. By mastering this phrase, you're not just improving your business English, you are also becoming a more effective team player. Think about how you can use it in your own professional life this week. And don't forget to share your examples in the comments below. Let's keep learning and growing together, one great expression at a time.